Hello everybody, welcome back to Intel NCERT Solutions. In this lecture we are going to learn about probability of class 12 exercise 13.4 question number 17. Suppose that two cards are drawn at the random from the deck of cards. Let x be the number of aces obtained. Then the value of E of x is. So some of the options were given: 37 by 2, 21, 5 divided by 13, 1 by 13, 2 by 13. The explanation is, given a deck of cards, x be the number of aces obtained, so that x can take values of 0, 1 or 2. So we get no aces or 1 ace or 2 aces. So as we know that in a deck of 52 cards, 4 cards are aces and therefore 48 cards are non-ace cards. So probability whenever x is equals to 0 means 0 is, and that means there is no the card which we take is that does not contain any ace. So that can be written as, from the 4 aces we have selected 0. In the second case also 4 cards we have selected 0 divided by total cards. From the total 52 cards we have selected 2. But we selected actually non-ace cards. So that is the answer 1128 divided by 1326. Probability distribution whenever x is equals to 1 means 1 ace and 1 non-ace cards. So among the 4 ace cards I have selected 1 in 2 and other remaining cards that are 48. So from the remaining cards I have selected other one by total 52 C2. So from the total 52 cards I have selected 2 cards. So that is equals to 192 divided by 1326. Probability whenever x is equals to 2. So I have selected 2 ace cards and 0 non-ace cards. So there is no ace cards. I have selected 2 ace cards in the 2 times. So therefore from the 4 ace cards 4 C2 into 48. In 48 I have selected nothing. So 48 C0 divided by total 52 cards. From the 52 cards I have selected 2. So this is the total selection. So this is the possible selection. So that is equals to 6 divided by 1326. So hence the required probability with the x equals to 1, 0, 1, 2. This can be written as 11 by, for the 0, 11 by 1128 divided by 1326, and for the 1, 192 divided by 1326. For 2 it is 6 divided by 1326. And E of x equals to, again sigma I equals to 1 to n xi pi. So from the distribution table we can easily understand this can be written as x into p of x corresponding values. So 0 into 1128 divided by 1326 plus 1 into 192 divided by 1326 plus 2 into 6 divided by 1326. So here we got on further this value is 0. So further calculation we get 206 divided by 1326. So on further we get E of x equals to 2 divided by 13. So hence the correct answer is D. And thank you.